guest was with us. I got it. My mind went, meow.
That's all right, it'll come back.
Here it comes.
And we'll clean it and put it back in and see how we
I got it.
Hello, 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 hello.
He taught me how to get my man into the kitchen.
Yes, and he taught me how to make a plate of beans, and we both left the kitchen.
Yes.
Please welcome back the Bean Gourmet, Tom Chasuk.
How you doing, Tommy?
Now, I understand you're going to show me how to make pizza.
Yes.
Now, the beans in the pizza?
Absolutely. Now, I understand.
I'll wait for y'all over here.
Arrivederci, chicken. Okay. But let me tell you, now, I understand you have a cholesterol problem, right?
No, I have a low sodium problem.
Low sodium problem?
Cholesterol, yeah, what, 400 or 500, is that a problem?
Well, I don't know. But for most of us, yes, yeah.
No, I try to have a low salt diet. I have to have a low salt diet. I suffer from, I guess you would call it high blood pressure. It's show business. But it doesn't bother me.
That's great to hear. Anyway, just hold that real tight.
Yes.
Okay. Now, listen, to get rid of that, right, what we're going to do is we're going to take the cheese off the pizza.
Which there's a lot of people don't know there's a lot of salt.
A lot of salt, a lot of cholesterol.
Yeah.
Beans have no cholesterol, very little sodium, so it's perfect. So what we're going to do is now you can make your own dough, right? But I like to use prepared dough. So I go to the refrigerator section and I buy these little refrigerator things. Now, just follow the little arrow with me. Tim,
what is this, Sesame Street? Is this near or far?
Follow the yellow brick road.
Okay, follow the little arrow.
Now just, excuse me. It's a little something for lunch.
There you go.
Okay, now you just pull those out. Pull that out.
Pull it out like that.
Yes, just pull yours right out.
Wait a minute.
Yes.
Take the blood here, Doc. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay.
Now, undo it like this.
Yikes, I hate how this feels. That's why I don't go in the kitchen. This stuff feels strange.
The problem with this is, now, it rolls out in a rectangle. You can't tell, but look.
How'd you get that? Wait a minute.
Well, it rolls out in a rectangle.
Okay.
Look at that, okay? The problem is, who eats rectangle pizzas, right?
Yes.
None of us do. So what I do is I start like this, and you just
But you just had me. I could have done it while it was all together. Okay.
Well, you know, maybe you could have. Okay, now you go like this.
All right, bring it inside.
Now you just need, we're not launching the space shuttle.
Yeah, okay.
All right, now what you do is you just set it down like this. All right, now to relax the pizza, you just hit it like that. Just
this.
Hit it. Yes, just pound it a couple of times. That's it. That's it. And that's it, George Foreman. That's
okay.
Just
what round I win? I can take him.
I'm sure you can.
Sing like a something.
All right.
I'm sorry.
No, that's okay.
It's show business.
That's okay. Okay. Take that pizza. Now, what you do is now that you've got it relaxed, you just take it by the edges and you kind of go like this. It's just like you're knitting. Isn't that something? And look at it stretch. Look at that stretch. Do you see that?
Yes.
Okay. And now, well, it's a little, I don't know, maybe a little too much room temp or something. Now just
when do you throw it?
No, you flop. Not quite yet. Not quite yet, but you're close.
I like the throwing stuff.
Well, we'll flop it first. Look at that. Now look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yes. Just keep it in the room. Okay. Next thing we do, use centripetal force. Now, if you feel like a pro, you can try that. It'll help stretch it. A little spin.
Hey, see, I'm good at that.
A little bit of spin. That's it.
Go.
A little spin. Okay. Terrific. You got it.
Mine looks like science kids amoeba.
Tim just made a donut. Now we stretch it out. Now that we've got it relaxed, look how that stretches. Help me out.
Oh, yes, I'm sorry. Oh, yeah, we're stretched.
Yes, that stretches out perfectly like, okay, a little, you get the idea, though. Eventually, that will
Plaster Paris. I get the idea.
Eventually, that'll be fine until you get to
I didn't get to throw it. I want to do it.
Oh, you want to spin it? Okay, let's see how you do. Oh, that's great.
Oh, God, hands up, everybody. Okay, that's right. I'm fine. All right. So we get that.
That's perfect.
That's it.
Okay, now.
Okay, what's it got next?
That one's done. Okay, that one's done. Gee, I don't know about you in the kitchen. I don't want to hand him this. I don't know where this will end up. Anyway, just take that there.
What are you going to use as topping?
Well, okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to use our beans.
Yeah.
Tim, you might want to do something with that. Okay. Now,
low and inside. Here we go.
These are kidney beans. Don't they look delicious?
Good, Tom.
Yes. Now, these were cultivated 7,000 years ago in southwest Mexico.
You really like beans, don't you, Tom?
I love them. I don't have much more of a life, quite frankly.
Tom.
Living in Simi Valley, away from everything. Anyway,
man sleeps with beans.
Now look at this. We're going to mince a cup of beans. Now look at this. This is called a rolling mincer. It's from France. It's got 5 blades on it. You know, same people brought the guillotine, and it works great. Now just roll that across. Just mow them over. Mow them. Go on. Be more aggressive. Come on.
Be aggressive.
Come on, George. That's great. Look how that minces. Isn't that lovely?
Yeah.
Okay.
Looks like a roadkill.
That's great. Let's try to keep everything in the kitchen.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now we simply we're gonna make our sauce now. That cost me $5.
Oh, did? Oh, okay. That's right. This show, we got a lot of money.
We're going to make our sauce now. You need 8 ounces of tomato sauce.
8 ounces.
All right. Now put in, oh, no, you leave it there.
I leave it there.
Simply mix in
You
everything.
just open it and leave it by the counter?
Yes,
okay,
yes.
all right. Now, what else?
Take a half teaspoon of thyme, dump it in there. Eyeball it. You can eyeball it. You measure real. That's perfect. Perfect. A little basil, a half teaspoon of basil. Oh, excellent. That is excellent. And a half teaspoon of oregano. And 3 cloves of garlic.
In the can?
In the can. Everything goes in the can. This is so easy.
Try dishes and bowls, Tom.
I know. That could be something new for me. All right, now you simply mix this up like this.
In this little can?
Yeah, just mix it right up. Mix it up.
You're a bachelor, right?
No, yeah.
Okay.
I had to think there for a second. That's perfect.
So many beans.
Okay. Now let's quit it. You're right.
Don't boo me. I'll hit you with this dough. How expensive is this thing to make?
This is about $1.50. Excuse me? A little romantic.
I like it, Tom, but not that good.
Really? I need a cigarette.
Oh, right. You just pour this on here.
Oh, you just pour that on there.
Pipe down back there.
Ballari. All right,
you put that in here.
Yeah, exactly. All right.
Now what?
Now you simply add a little onion.
A little onion.
Yes, a little onion.
Like that. Keep going.
Yeah, very
How
nice.
you doing?
Very nice.
All right.
Hey,
What's your
set that-
name? Get with the pizza. What's your name, sir?
Just put your
Your name?
vegetables on here.
It's the violin. Makes them deaf. I don't know.
His name is Shony Alex Braun, I think.
Oh,
yes.
wonderful.
Yes. You set that down there.
You were making a vegetarian pizza.
Yes.
Corn.
Now you simply put your beans on. Well, you don't have to be neat. That's fine.
Yes.
That's fine. Shony, I have a headache. All right. Now, it's not a dump truck, Tim. It's not a dump truck.
Tim.
All right. Now, all you do is you put that in the oven, and you just put that in the oven. Shony.
Okay.
Goes right in here. Pull this out. Look what it looks like after 15 minutes at 425. Doesn't that look great?
This was a surprise for you, dear.
I'm thrilled.
Now, can you use other toppings other than what we've done
You
here?
can use anything you want. You can use any kind of topping you like.
All right.
Any
So we'll
kind of
taste.
topping. Taste it, yeah, absolutely.
Oh, and it's good and warm.
Is it good?
Now, how many calories in a slice of this?
About less than 150.
Less
Less
than
than
150.
150. Shony?
Oh, din.
Nice, Shony. All right.
My honey cook. I love it.
Actually,
Oh,
very
Lori, he's
good.
playing it.
That's all you needed was a slice of pizza.
Oh,
Come here, sit down. I'll serve you.
Oh, please.
Thank you, Shony.
Tom,
Very nice.
again.
Thank you.
Honey.
Wonderful. There you are, my sweet.
Sit.
Oh.
Eat. Might I feed you, dear?
Yes, thank you so much.
This is wonderful. Now, honey, would you make this at home?
I make what? Oh, of course, dear.
You what?
And there's the nice thing, the fact that it is no cheese, low salt, low calorie.
Good.
And people at home can have a good time with just storing your stuff in you have in the refrigerator, all your waste, started to say waste, all your leftovers. Put it on some of that dough you saw me over there need. And great, we'll be right back. I love that. I love that.